Alright, in this video, let's do Technical Math Chapter 6. It's about factoring and fractions. So 6.1 is about special product. It's like ax plus y. We can factor this like ax plus ay. X plus y, x minus y equals x squared minus y squared. We call this difference of two squares. Number 3, x squared plus y squared, call this perfect square, equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. It's a perfect square. Number 4, we have x minus y squared. This is also a perfect square, so we have negative sign. It's minus 2xy. Plus y squared. This is also perfect square. Number 5, we have x plus a, x plus b. So we just use x times x, x times b, a times x, a times b. So we have x squared plus bx plus ax plus ab equals, we collect like terms, x squared plus a plus b, x plus ab. Number 6, we have ax plus b, cx plus d. So we use this guy, ax times cx, ax times d, then b times cx, b times d. We have acx squared plus adx plus bcx plus bd. So we collect like terms, we have acx squared plus ad plus bc, the whole thing x plus bd. So after we factor each term, when we have like terms, we collect the terms, try to put them together. The like term is they have the same power x. Let's say xx. Sometimes we have x squared plus bcx squared. They are like terms. So we add the coefficient ad plus bc x squared. So this one's ad plus bcx. Look like example 1. We have 6, 3r plus 2s. So we use 6 multiply both. 6 times 3r plus 6 times 2s. 18r plus 12s. B, we have 3r plus 2s times 3r minus 2s. So we have difference of two squares. With 3r squared minus 2s squared. Difference of two squares. This is difference. And we have two squares. So that's 9r squared minus 4s squared. Next one, we have 5a plus 2, the whole thing squared, equals 5a squared plus 2 times 5a times 2, 2ab plus 2 squared. That would be 25a squared plus 28 plus 4. Next one is 5a minus 2 squared, still perfect square, 5a squared. So here's minus 2 times 5a times 2 plus 2 squared. So the sign here will affect the sign 2ab. It's 2ab. This is b squared, this is a squared. So if you have a negative, that's a negative. So that's 25a squared minus 20. Plus 4. So if we have x plus 5, x minus 3, we have x times x, x times negative 3, 5 times x, 5 times negative 3. So that's x squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. So that equals x squared plus 2x minus 15. 4x plus 5 have 2x minus 3. So 4x times this, 4x times negative 3, 5 times 2x, 5 times negative 3. So that's 4x times 2x minus 3 times 4x plus 5 times 2x minus 5 times 3 equals 8x squared.
Okay, I found this on the web.
Minus this is some negative 12, this is 10, so it's negative 2x minus 15. So for practice, we have y minus 5, y plus 5, difference of 2 squared equal y squared minus 25. 3x minus 2 whole thing squared equals 3x squared minus 2 times 3x times 2 plus 2 squared equals 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. We also have x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 7. So factor each items. So x squared times x squared plus x squared times 7 minus 4 times x squared minus 28 equals x to the 4 plus 3x squared, like terms here. 7 minus 4 is 3, so minus 28. We have FA. Let's use the FA times L minus A, L plus A. So here is a difference of 2 squares. So it will be FA times L squared minus A squared. So we have FL squared A minus FA cube. If we have R I1 squared plus I2 squared, or the square is outside, the square is for both. So we have R, we have perfect square, I1 squared plus 2I1 times I2 plus I2 squared. Then we just factor R to each term. R times I1 squared plus 2R I1 I2 plus R times I2 squared. If we have x plus y minus 2, the whole thing square, so we could put these two together first, so that we x plus y square minus 2 times x plus y times 2 plus 4, which is 2 square, equals, so this is still a perfect square, so we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus 2x minus 2y. That should be 4 now. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 4. So we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 4. Next one's cube, x plus 4 cube. So we could do square first, x plus 4 to the square, then times x plus 4. So that would be x squared plus 8x plus 16, x plus 4. Then we use this x squared times x squared times 4. 8x times x, 8x times 4, then 16 times x, 16 times 4. So we will have x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8x squared plus 32x plus 16x plus 64. Like terms, x cubed plus 12x squared plus 48x plus 64. So we could also use Pascal triangle, which is x plus 4. If we have power to 0, that's 1. If we x plus 4 to the 1, that's 1, 1, which is x plus 4 equals x plus 4. If I have x plus 4, 2, we have 1, the 2 add, then we have 1. So that's x squared plus 2 times x times 1 plus 1, 4 squared. And if we have cube, that's 1, 3, 3, 1. So that would be 1 times x cubed plus 3 times x squared times 4 plus 3x times 4 squared plus 4 cubed. So every time the sum of the power equal to 3. So this one 3, this is 2, 1, this is 1, 2, this is 3. And the coefficient, this is just a coefficient. Pascal triangle. These are the coefficients for the power. So if you have 3, it's 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. And the power start from 3. So x to 3, 4 to 0, basically it's 1. And then reduce x power to 2, raise the 4 power to 1. That's 4. Then reuse it again, x times 4 squared. So we'll have x cubed plus 12x squared plus 48x plus 64. So this is using Pascal